Building a personal brand is an art, and I know it's not hard to master. Everybody can work on their personal brand depending on how dedicated and driven they are. So if you are very dedicated and driven, here are 5 tips to help you work on your personal brand. First one, you need to understand what is your core area of strength and consciously work on it. Number 2, you need to understand that your brand has to have some uniqueness, and how you're going to build that uniqueness. You're going to run a research, you're going to find out what makes you different from others and work on that difference in order to highlight it and in order to stand out. Then you need to work on upgrading your expertise. Why do I say upgrading your expertise? Because the more proficient you are into your core area and more skills you have in that area, closer to perfection that people are looking and expecting from you, you are going to become a go-to expert. So have answers to all the problems in that area so that people are going to come to you to get those solutions. Then provide value, because value matters big time. Your audience is looking at you because they expect you to provide solutions. So have well-crafted, practically useful solutions for your audience. Give them a lot of free stuff. This is what I mean. Give them a lot of value, offer support, offer them a lot of support, because it's support that everybody needs in this post-COVID-19 economy. Then comes your presence. Where is your brand going to be most visible? Step 1, make use of networking events. Step 2, make use of social media channels. Step 3, be more present at one channel. Why do I say that? Because that one channel's followers, which is more connected to what you do and has more audience that can benefit from what you do, is going to be your core channel, and that's where people will find you more and will be more ready to connect with you. That presence will complement all your work. Be consistent in what you do. Behavior of your brand, behavior of people who are following your brand is very important. You need to have a strategy that will consistently bring you to the limelight among the people who benefit from you the most, and this will help you stand out. The more consistent you are at, let's say, content creation, the more consistent you are at being present for the people, the more consistent you are at solving problems, the more consistent you are at giving away the messages to your audience, the more you are going to stand out and the more power will be attached to your brand. Be persistent, do not give up. Simple as that. Stick to what you do. Give your brand a lot of time. Make conscious investments, because that's going to win you reputation, visibility, trust, and reliability. And the more persistent you are in all these things that you do, the more authentic you will look to your audience and the more they will trust you for things. So these are various points that you can make use of for your personal branding. Stay tuned for more.